Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem when it says boot device not found. Please install an operating system on your hard disk. So how you can fix this, let's get started. First restart your PC, and once your screen goes blank, just press F10 on your keyboard to enter BIOS. Then in BIOS you have to go over to advanced tab and then go over to boot options. Now just scroll down till you find UEFI boot order, make sure it is checked and then enter it, and then make sure your boot device or SSD is on top. If it's not, just bring it to top as you can see, and then go over to legacy boot order, check this again, and then make sure your boot device is on top on here again. Just do this and then apply your changes, save them, exit it, and then hopefully your problem solves. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.